Hi there, kiddos. I'm Bella, your friendly story narrator. Are you ready for an adventure? Great. But before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our fun stories. And guess what? If you stay till the end, I'll share a special lesson with you. All right, are you all set? Here we go. Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived an elephant named Fred. Now, Fred was no ordinary elephant. Every time he sneezed, something extraordinary happened. He would sneeze bubbles, confetti, and even glitter. Achoo! Fred would sneeze, and everyone around would giggle with glee. One day, Fred met a shy bunny named Benny, who was sad because he couldn't make friends. Fred's bubbly sneezes made Benny smile. "Golly gee, Fred, your sneezes are just the thing to cheer up my day," said Benny, hopping with joy. Fred was thrilled to have a new friend. They spent days playing games, exploring, and making memories. Whenever Fred sneezed, Benny would giggle and say, "Bless you, Fred." But soon, trouble arrived in the form of a grumpy lion named Leo. He didn't like the sneezing elephant stealing all the attention. "Stop that nonsense, Fred," roared Leo. "You're nothing but a show-off." Fred's heart sank, and he stopped sneezing. Benny knew his friend was sad. He hopped over to Leo and said, "Mr. Lion, Fred's sneezes bring us joy. They make us happy, and that's something special." Leo paused and pondered Benny's words. Then, with a soft smile, he said, "You're right, Benny. I'm sorry, Fred. Your sneezes are amazing." From that day on, Fred continued to sneeze with delight, making everyone laugh and cheer. And Leo, well, he learned the power of kindness and acceptance. So, my dear friends, the lesson is simple yet profound. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate the differences in others. Who knows, your sneeze might just be the thing that brings joy to the world. I hope you enjoyed our story. Remember, always be kind, and I'll see you next time. Good night, little ones.